got here this morning just to do a little bit of setup. I got all the concrete bags ready. We're going to be using 30 bags to fill this trench in here. And we're using the fast setting concrete mix. These are 50-pound bags by Quikrete. And they cut this trench in to install some solar. I got some batteries up there on the wall. But yeah, I'm just here to fill it back in. I popped these two forms in here. One right here. I had to do a little notch out because of the concrete, but I popped this form in here this morning and I put one in on this side. And now I'm just there it is. So now I'm just getting ready to compact. I got my compactor here. It looks like it's gonna fit in there perfectly. I'm gonna compact this, grade it real nice, wet it up, and then I'm gonna begin mixing. And what we're using to mix this today is the one and only MudMixer. This thing's a real cool unit here. It here's the hopper. So this is a concrete mixer, but it's not your typical concrete mixer. Obviously it has its own chute and it has its own hopper, and you crack the bags on this guy right here. Concrete goes down there and then comes out right through here. And then we got some hose lines in there, and that's what's providing it the water as it pushes through the chute. Now I'm laying a piece of number 3 rebar, and I'm using whatever I can find for some dobies to keep it up. The key to the MudMixer is you want to keep the hopper about at least half full as you're mixing at all times to get you that nice consistent mix. The tricky part here is I got the fast setting concrete, so I need to be able to mix all this up super quick so I can, get down and finish it out, lay it down properly. Apparently this MudMixer is supposed to mix a lot quicker than your average mixer, so we'll see how that goes. It's just me today, solos. All right, here we go, guys. Uh-oh, looks like we got a jam. I also forgot to mention that this unit has a water dial on it, and that adjusts the slump of the concrete that's coming out, so you can add more or less water depending on how you want your mix. In my case, I wanted it more wet, so as you can see, as I go down the trench, I make it a lot more wet. The only thing I was noticing with the red bag of concrete was I needed something to really shove down the concrete to make it go down the hopper. I was using a wooden stake and my hand flow basically just to get the concrete to go down the hopper, but when I had my regular bags of concrete, there was no problem with the concrete going down the hopper. So I think it's something to do with the red bags just being a little more stiff or something, I don't know. But other than that, it was working out really good, as you guys can see. And yeah, I like it a lot. not even 3 minutes on the ground, and this concrete's almost as stiff as a rock. As you guys can see there, it's going off real quick. As you can see on this end of the trench, I made the mix a lot more wet, just to give me some time, buy me some time to work with this a little bit more. I rotted it all off, so now I'm just kind of going back to float out the rocks, pull some cream up, and then I'm just gonna pass it one time with my hand trowel to finish it out, and I'll go ahead and give this trench a little broom finish action with the world famous 50% horsehair, 50% nylon specialty concrete broom. But for now, I'm just pulling that cream up, and then I'll just do one pass with the steel trowel. Alright, so here it is, the world famous concrete broom. This broom used to be twice the size, actually. It broke in half somehow. So my finisher Juan actually rigged this up. He made it mini concrete broom, and it actually works perfect for like steps or broom and bands, stuff like that. But it's just what I had on the truck today. I forgot to bring my bigger one, so we're brooming it out with this guy, and it's working real good.
As you guys know, I use the fast setting concrete, and I didn't even pour this out an hour ago, and I was able to broom and finish it. And as you can see, it's already curing. I mean, that's rock hard concrete right there, and it's only been an hour, and it's basically fully cured out. Another little spot right there. So anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's a good DIY project for anyone who wants to learn. And I think the homeowners are going to be real happy with this project. Now they can use their backyard again. They even did a little carving in the concrete. Our home. As you guys seen, the MudMixer worked out pretty good, so let me know what you guys think about that thing in the comment section below. You know, I don't think I could have done this with the fast setting bags using a regular mixer. I just don't think it would have been possible. I mean, it almost got away from me just using the MudMixer. So I mean, the MudMixer works great though. It's just those fast setting bags, they really go off. It ain't no joke. Those things are fast setting.